Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Trade Wisdom. And like every day, we'll go through the indices Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty and try to analyze where the prices are moving and what kind of trades can be taken. So, as we had discussed in our morning video, uh, in a pre market analysis, that this zone of 19,000 212 216, this zone, this could be in resistance for the index going forward. And other than that, I don't find any other important level over here. There is no new level to be marked on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, there is this level of 19,046. This is currently not a very important level because it will become important if there are these rejections. If you see this one, this two, if there are two, three candles which are rejecting from this level, which means that we have probably have a short-term bottom in place. So let's go to lower time frames and see how things are going there. So I'll go to 15-minute and 75-minute time frame. So over here you can see that market opened over here, where we thought there would where we had thought that there would be resistance, and it just slipped instantly. The initial 75 minutes, it made a huge selling candle and the prices came down. This level over here, the low of this candle, which is 19,043, this would be an important support for tomorrow. Apart from that, on resistance level, we directly have this. There is nothing else in between on a 75-minute time frame. So market might just oscillate in this area tomorrow. If we go down further to 15-minute time frame, now the point is that the supports and resistance of 15-minute time frame are too small. Like this 15-minute, if I find a 15-minute support or resistance, that might just get breached in initial two or three candles of the day, and that level won't be very important going forward. But still, if we see, then this area over here, I will convert it to a dashed line so that we remember. This area, high, 19,117,120, this could be a short term resistance for Nifty. Apart from that, once again, I don't see any resistance as such in between over here. Support again remains this 19,043 for Nifty. So let's go to Bank Nifty. Let's again start with the higher time frame, weekly and daily. Okay, so weekly again in Bank Nifty, we had kept this level in the morning, 14,003 sorry 43,333, and as you can see on the daily chart, market just opened at this level and it just fell down instantly. So let's go to lower time frame. On the higher time frame, there is no new level to be marked over here, so these remain the same. There is no support on a higher time frame as such. Supports, these are resistances on the higher time frame, minor resistances. Major resistance is this, and supports, there aren't many over here. I can go behind to towards the previous prices and find some, but for now let us go to the lower time frame and see what we can look for tomorrow. Okay, so here, coming to the lowest time frame, 15-minute and 75-minute, we had marked these as resistance in the morning, in the pre-market analysis video. This was supposed to be a resistance, this was supposed to be a minor support, this was supposed to be a, this is also a minor support. And as you can see, prices opened here and it came straight down to the support. It gave a decent bounce back. It was like what, 42,873, from 42,873 to 43,000. So 43,057 something. So you had a decent 200 point of bounce back over here from this support level, and then this got breached. So this no longer is a support, first thing. I'll have to see the open of this candle. Okay, so now in this chart on the higher time frame, 75-minute, this wide range has opened up from 42,631 to 43,250. This wide range has opened up. So we'll go on the lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame, to find out a smaller range for tomorrow. Once again, 15-minute time frame is a very small time frame, and supports and resistances would get easily broken in this time frame. So act accordingly. So on the lower time frame, 15-minute time frame, this is the nearest support area that I can see. This 42,790 is the nearest support area, and then comes this couple of these are near term supports, and resistance which worked out fine today was this, and even this. So see, as we go to lower time frame, we'll find many levels in between, but these are the major levels. This is where you will see the price react on a 15-minute chart. So if you're trading 15-minute chart, levels of 75-minute will be the places where prices would react, and they would give you decent moves, like this 200-point move which we got from the support area on 75-minute. On 15-minute chart, like what would happen is this, these levels, you will see price reacting on these levels. If you go to a further smaller time frame, like for on a 3-minute chart or something, then these levels will become important, and on a 15-minute chart a single candle can breach them. So this is how it is. Again, going back to daily chart and looking at the picture, trend is clearly on the downside. uh, a sell for me has not triggered. I would go for a selling side once I get a close before previous day. Now this previous day low was here. If I get a close tomorrow which is below this low, then I will think of selling and going and probably targeting the new low. But till that time, I won't be on the positional sell side. Let's see how market goes tomorrow. Now comes Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty again will start with the larger time frame. Fin Nifty, what we thought was a potential resistance, and we thought that market has crossed closed once below, once above this resistance. But look at this. Very next day market comes back again below that resistance. So that resistance is very much active still, I would say. We need one more close above this to actually disregard that resistance. The trend shift would be for me beyond these levels, the ones marked in black. And let's go to lower time frame and see what we have here on Fin Nifty. So on a 15-minute chart, we would see that prices opened up, they came down, and the place where we thought it would take resistance on a higher time frame, that's where it actually took a small support, gave a small bounce back, came down again. Now, this level does not stay that important. 19,222, it's not really that important going forward, but this support is still holding 19,171. And if I have to find a resistance, then for me, the areas of resistance that I can see on the chart for now on a 15-minute time frame is this. So since you see there are not a lot of resistances on a smaller time frame, if we get a decent gap up opening which crosses these this cluster over here, if anything crosses this cluster, it is there on every chart. It's there on Nifty, it's there on Bank Nifty. Market has made this cluster over here. If we get across, if prices cross this, then we'll see these levels coming again tomorrow. So tomorrow might be a bullish day if prices open this, or in initial half an hour, 1 hour prices move beyond these levels. There is no, I mean, I won't be on a positional sell until I get a close below today's low. So that's it from my side. Trade well and best of luck.